Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Firebolt Ninja 2 Max Fitness Tracker. On the front of the box, we have a couple of images of the product. The first one is of it in its close-up form, and over here we have an image of the product being used by the brand ambassador. To the right hand side, we have a couple of salient features which include a 1.5-inch full touch display and 20 sport modes. On the left hand side of the box, we have the 1.5-inch touch display feature being repeated. The resolution of the display is 240 by 280 pixels. It has a 7-day battery life and is IP68 waterproof. On the right hand side, the features continue. The 20 sport modes feature has been repeated. It can also do SpO2 monitoring. It has smart notifications and a heart rate tracking feature. There's nothing on the top, nor is there anything on the bottom. On the back, up top, over here, we have a few more features. We'll just list the ones that we haven't covered already, which include multiple watch faces, sleep monitoring, music control, weather updates, and remote camera. The features are repeated here in a little more elaborate way. Over here we have a QR code that can be used to download the Dafit app, which will help you monitor and track your health in more detail. And over here we have a sticker that has some of the importing and manufacturing information along with the customer care details and the BIS certification symbol. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some literature in the form of the user manual. This will help you set up the watch and understand the various modes and functions. We recommend that you read through the user manual thoroughly before you start using the device. We also have a card on which there is a QR code that leads to the Instagram page of the brand. Lastly, in terms of the reading material, we have the warranty registration card that has a QR code as well that you can use to register for the warranty, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. On the back of the warranty card, we have a little thank you note from the brand. The charging cable has a USB Type A interface on one end and a magnetic charging pin on the other. The cable length is approximately 2 feet. Coming to the watch itself, we can see that there is a gray and black color theme going for it. The straps are black. Obviously, the display is black as well, and the rest of the body of the watch has a silverish grayish color to it. On the front, on the display, we have this protective sticker that we can remove now. And to the side, we have the multi-function button that will help you navigate through the interface of the watch. It will also help turn the watch on or off. When it comes to the straps, it is a pretty simple design, and the buckle is pretty simple as well. We have some Firebolt branding on this side. On the back, we have some more Firebolt branding, and we have the heart rate monitor as well, which has a clear plastic film on it. Underneath the heart rate monitor, we have the contact points for the charging pins. The straps can also be removed in case you have a different style of straps that you would like to use, and it can be removed using this metal bit on the side. So now that we have charged the watch and switched it on, we can go through the menu and see what features it has. This is what the default watch face looks like. You can swipe up to go into check your messages, track your sports activities, track your sleep, track your exercise, measure heart rate, measure SpO2 levels, check the weather. You can also use the watch as a shutter for the camera, and you can control your music. You can track your breathing, use the watch as a flashlight, and there are a bunch of other settings as well. On the bottom, the heart rate monitor will start to flash when you are doing particular activities that you want to measure your heart rate while doing those. So this was the unboxing of the Firebolt Ninja 2 Max Fitness Tracker. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.